Dang, son, that looks sick! What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, the GT86 is back from paint. Let's go ahead, pull it in, and see what we got. The battery is so dead on this thing. Let me see if we start it up.
Dang, bro.
Bro, not too shabby.
Looking pretty good.
It's pretty good.
That gap looks kind of big though.
That gap is big. They didn't align it too good, which is fine because we're gonna do it ourselves.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, it looks really nice. They did a nice blend to the fender here, and then they did a blend to the door on that side. But otherwise, dude, I think it looks nice. It looks kind of empty without the grills, for
Yeah,
sure.
honestly.
Sure. It almost looks plain. It looks plain without the grills, and it looks plain without the Toyota emblem in the front.
Yeah, in the front.
I don't know if you guys remember, but like here there was a big divot because the Subaru emblem is supposed to go here, but the Toyota emblem is smaller, so we had to bondo it up, and then we're gonna put the Toyota one up on top.
Maybe we could just leave it like that. I think it might look like a nice front end.
No, it's too deep edge.
We'll see.
Yeah, we got this little molding that we need here. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the airbag. We're gonna put this panel together. We're gonna pull the seat belts, and we're also gonna pull the most hated thing on planet Earth, the airbag module.
Oh my
I
gosh.
freaking hate it.
Well,
Let's get to it.
let's dive in.
We actually ended up changing the entire clock spring this time. On the previous series, the WRX series, we just changed the clips. But this time we just the whole clock spring. It wasn't actually too hard. So
Yeah.
This is the old one. Obviously it's a dud. So put a new one in. Let's clip this airbag in.
Let's do it. Nice.
Boom, boom.
How long did that take?
Do not ask. That was the most painful job ever. You have to literally like take off the whole panel. This whole panel, you gotta take the seat out to get to that, because the seat belt's like way in there.
Yeah, you literally took off the back seat, everything. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, time for the other side.
Forsaken seat belt. That's the other side.
Dude, you literally had to take apart the whole entire dash to get to it. That's nuts.
I'm just glad you could take out like the screen to like fit your hands back here, because if you would have had to do it all through here, good luck.
That would have been stupid.
There's no way you'd get it out.
We got the module out. Now we're gonna move on to the headlights, which this is honestly gonna kind of suck. Here's all the wiring for it. You can see it's just a bunch of mumble jumble with connectors missing because we literally have to solder it into those wires. So we're gonna pull off the bumper, we're gonna pull off the headlights, and then go from there.
Okay, so this headlight actually came with extra wiring, which is this thing right here, and we thought we needed to somehow solder these wires into here, and we don't, which is a great news. This is actually for an older model, 86 or FRS or BRZ, and obviously we have a newer one, so
Yeah.
we don't need to worry about that. So let's go ahead, let's put them on.
We
and-
threw one on and we already tested it. You guys can see it here. It looks pretty tight. So we just gotta put the second one on.
Yep, gotta put in the rest, the bumper, all the grills in,
And then-
head on to the interior. Let's try putting it on.
Yeah, dude.
We are missing two pieces, which the guy at the dealer told us it all comes in one piece, but I was like, I'm 100% sure it's two pieces, and it is. Check this out. This fog light bracket, there's supposed to be another piece right here, which we ordered. It should be here pretty soon.
Yeah.
But let's throw this bumper on. Let's see what it looks like.
Let's do it. Flip, dude. That looks sick. Flip.
Sure.
It looks like a race car.
Dude, very nice.
Cool.
Dang, son, that looks sick. Okay, it actually looks pretty cool. I love that blacked out look. looks super nice. It matches really nice with the rims.
Yeah.
The rims are kind of like black and silver. All the grills are big and they're black.
Yeah.
It matches the headlights here. We'll put this in here later. But we're gonna get everything lined up. But dude, we just wanted to see it and it looks so nice.
It's clean.
Alrighty guys, that is gonna be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for sticking through the entire video and seeing everything that we've done. This video will put together on the whole front end. It's got a few like brackets and moldings that we gotta put together, so nothing crazy. We did order them already. We got the emblem, 2 fog light brackets, and then otherwise the front end is done. So next video we're gonna dive in. We're gonna finish putting the interior together, any little pieces that we might have missed, and take it out for a spin. As always, follow us on Instagram to get exclusive content of these builds, and follow us on TikTok to get the latest update. With that being said, thanks so much for watching, guys. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.